The Introduction to Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Flight course is designed to prepare students for entry-level employment or continuing education in piloting UAV operations or drones. The course is designed to instruct students in UAV flight aviation, navigation, industry laws and regulations, and safety regulations. Students are also exposed to mission planning procedures, environmental factors, human factors that involve the UAV industry. There are currently many careers that are being brought up with UAV or drone use. In agriculture, it's being used for surveying crops and cattle, capturing live events such as concerts, political events, sporting events, and weddings. Another very good use is for surveying dangerous areas, such as when a hurricane or natural disaster occurs. Instead of sending people, they send out drones to survey the area and the possible ways of getting to people or other people or situations safely. Search and rescue, it's being used for search and rescue, for lost people in like parks and stuff. You're gonna have to edit that.
That's okay, keep going.
Wildlife monitoring is also another use of drones, where instead of humans being out there in the habitat for the animals, they monitor them using drones. Aerial photography for real estate, and currently also in construction to survey the construction for inspections and safety procedures. And also there's a sporting events, which is drone racing. So that's actually some of that is happening in the Austin area, where they have some drone racers.